Someone just built a computer that shouldn't exist. It's a mechanical keyboard, an ultra-wide monitor, and a full desktop PC all folded into one device. And somehow, it actually works. The Keebmon isn't trying to be cute or revolutionary. It's just solving a problem that's been annoying anyone who actually uses computers for work. You know that moment when you're stuck with a laptop keyboard that feels like typing on wet cardboard, or when you're squinting at a 16:9 screen trying to get real work done? Yeah, someone finally got fed up enough to fix it. I've put the link in the description for deals on this and other gear I cover today, so check them out while watching the video. This looks like a mechanical keyboard, feels like one too. Proper Kale switches that you can swap out when you get bored. But that 13-inch screen sitting above the keys, that's running the whole show. Fold it open, you've got a 21:9 ultra-wide workspace. Fold it shut, it disappears into your bag like it was never there. The specs are where this gets serious. AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 under the hood. Up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 8 terabytes of NVMe storage. That's more computing power than most people have on their desks, crammed into something that weighs less than the average gaming laptop. But here's what separates men from boys. Everything's user serviceable. 2 PCIe Gen 4 slots, memory that isn't soldered to the board, and an aluminium chassis that actually dissipates heat instead of turning your lap into a griddle.
The connectivity is what you'd expect from something built by people who understand computers. 2 USB 4 ports at 40 gigs each. USB-C with 100-watt power delivery that actually charges the thing quickly, and an HDMI 2.1 port for when you need a real monitor. And here's the kicker, an OCuLink port. What the heck is an OCuLink port, I hear you ask? Most people have never seen OCuLink because it's usually reserved for workstations that cost more than a decent car. It's an external PCIe running at full speed. Plug in a graphics card, storage array, whatever you need. Your MacBook's looking pretty limited right about now, doesn't it? The screen does what you'd expect a good screen to do. 1920 by 720 resolution in that 21:9 format gives you an actual workspace instead of the porthole most laptops force you to stare through. 10-point touch support for when poking the screen makes more sense than reaching for the trackpad. Wi-Fi 7 and LTE mean you're not stuck with whatever garbage connection the coffee shop is offering. The 70-watt-hour battery is honest about what it can deliver. No marketing nonsense about all-day battery life when you're pushing a Ryzen processor. This started as a Kickstarter asking for $6,000 and raised almost $500,000. That's not just meeting a funding goal, that's proof people are tired of compromising on portable computing. The build quality matches the engineering. Aluminum construction, solid hinges, keys that don't flex when you type. It's built like something that needs to work for years, not something designed to break after the warranty expires. When you need desktop performance, unfold it. When you're done, fold it flat. No dongles, no external peripherals, no settling for less because it's portable. That OCuLink port changes everything about docking. Connect to external graphics, multiple monitors, high-speed storage. Then undock and take the same computing power with you. It's what laptops should have been if anyone had bothered to ask people who actually use them. Most portable computers make you choose power or portability, good keyboard or thin design, decent screen or battery life. The Keebmon looked at those compromises and threw them out the window, because real men should not have to choose. As impressive as this mini PC looks, Huawei recently launched a 2-in-1 laptop/tablet that's years ahead of everything else. Watch this video next to see what I'm talking about.